What's up? What's going on? What's happening, YouTube?
The mechanics.
Well, oh my God, and it's not even here. All right, so, like the title says, I'm rolling my Fenders, you know, trying to be consistent, which I'm not really, I'm more consistent in the gym, okay? Let's do that. I've been consistent coming in the garage per se, because I have been cleaning. Everything is all nice and neat and for the most part organized and everything like that, so that's good. I am rolling my Fender. You guys see my bike right here. My seat post broke. Little thing. This is stupid. I don't know why Unknown decided to make this. This is a stupid design. Anyways, oh yeah, speaking of bikes, I am giving away a bike for free. Giving it away for free. When I hit 1,500 subscribers, I am finding somebody and I'm giving the bike away to somebody. So let's get to 1,500. Anyways, this Fender needs to be rolled. We know this. I forgot this, but it does need to be rolled, so I'm about to pull this off. Most of you guys already know how to roll a Fender the right way. A lot of you know how to do it the wrong way. And most of you guys are just gonna pay somebody else to do it, so I'm gonna do it my way. So I initially cleaned up so I can have more space on the sides. As you can see, I can move a little bit. I wish I had a toolbox so I can have a freaking 10 mils somewhere. Oh my God, a 9. Oh wait, I know where all my 10 mils are at. All my 10 mils are up here because that's the best place for them. Okay. Now, this is gonna be a fast process for me, cause you know this is what I do. So, while I go roll this Fender and keep my secrets to myself, you guys are gonna watch some clips because I'm keeping my secrets to myself while I go roll this flat. Yes, sir, let's go. Clip roll right now.
That's crazy. I was just watching.
Just stay over.
Stay on the right lane. Everybody stay on the right lane.
Right. Right turn.
No, right lane, not right turn. Recording or no? Uh-oh. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that snippet, because this little secret I am not giving away. Although I do give away a lot of secrets and trick tips, I'm not giving this one away. No bacon Fender. She is rolled. She is ready to be stanced as a Fender. Just like that. She is tucked, and let me take this off. There you go. That's a good look on how she sits. All static. Shout out to No Coast Izzy because he just got bags and I don't care. This fitment is way better. Better ask my mama. Anyways, with this being said, my little quick 30 minutes in the garage, all done. Took me a little bit longer than 30 minutes, but like I said, the garage is clean a little bit, so I should be able to be in here a little bit more and do a little bit more. So with this being said, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, come back, okay? Come back. With this being said, peace, I'm gone.
The Mechanics.